are we cookies? Today I just wanted to look where you all came from. Germany, and that, and... Wait a second. I'm Googling. Google? I asked Google, Goobers? What? Goobers? Goobers? Yeah, Goobers? Oh my god, I'm dead now. Guys, do you think the Goobers will notice me if I'm popular? I don't know, because I want to be the purple Goober. I just need to shut up, editor. Should I shut up? I hope there's not a good answer, and where don't cut.